Welcome to the podcast, folks. Today we're diving into all things ERP and business management, with a focus on a powerhouse in Odoo implementation.
I'm really excited about this. So O2B Technologies is at the heart of ERP innovation, right?
Exactly. They are a certified Odoo ERP implementation partner offering solutions for, it's like, every kind of business need, from supply chain to HR
definitely
to
intriguing.
manufacturing.
And when you say every business need, you're talking about a vast array, huh? Inventory, purchase, even CRM and e-commerce?
Yup, absolutely. They've built a robust ERP platform that covers just about every facet. Supply chain management for complete visibility, streamlined inventory control, and purchase management to handle procured processes seamlessly.
So their approach is really comprehensive. Tailor-made solutions for industries like manufacturing, distribution, warehousing, and even construction.
Exactly. It's like they have a one-stop software system that really adapts to different business dynamics.
Yep, I see what you mean. But here's something I'm curious about. How do they integrate customization with standard solutions? Doesn't that sometimes add complexity?
Great point. They actually handle that by following a multi-step process. It starts off with detailed business requirement analysis. Then they move on to migration, development, and finally, customization to fit the exact needs.
That makes sense. So it's not just about deployment, but ongoing support as well.
Exactly. And that's crucial. Once the ERP is implemented, they offer continuous support and training. They ensure that all modules, whether it's HR, sales, or finance, run smoothly with real-time insights.
I find it interesting how they blend development with consulting. I mean, sometimes a heavy focus on development can overshadow business analysis, right?
True, but they balance that out by ensuring their team includes consultants, business analysts, and even quality analysts. This multifunctional team, with over 100 team members, is dedicated to both technology and business efficiency.
That balance is essential. And it's impressive that they've been in the market for over 15 years. That's like a deep reservoir of experience.
Totally. That longevity, combined with a 100% satisfaction rate and an 80% senior specialist presence, really drives home their commitment to quality work.
Absolutely. I also heard they offer specialized solutions like Odoo hosting and even insights on the latest trends, like updates in Odoo 18 with AI integration.
Right. They've got a blog that covers those breakthrough topics. Everything from POS enhancements to new apps, and even AI power-ups in ERP processes.
Yeah, really cutting-edge stuff. It's like they not only deliver current solutions, but also position businesses for future trends.
Exactly right. And with a global presence, offices in the USA and India, they're truly a partner that scales across regions, ensuring you get localized expertise along with global support.
That's impressive. All in all, O2B Technologies seems like a solid ally for businesses looking to streamline processes and boost efficiency.
Absolutely. It's the power duo of technology and business strategy. It's like they combine a tailor-made suit with the reliability of a classic design.
Right, I totally agree.